I can't. Is it recording through here? Hello. I can't do this shit. Do we like this? I feel like the sun from Teletubbies. The sun from Teletubbies. Alright. I'm having too much fun. Let's do the recipe that I tried not too long ago. I think it was about 2 weeks ago, 3 weeks ago, and it changed my life. I haven't made it since, and I might make it tomorrow.
Okay, so
but
I'm going to do
I did want to show you guys. So we're
zucchini instead of chicken.
to watch it together. We did zucchini instead of chicken.
I'll probably cut these into quarters.
I don't like this pot because it spins. This is all the seasonings. And then shit started to roll. So put some better than bouillon with that and onions. Blended up tomatoes, onions, red pepper, carrots, some water. I put some herbs and spices. What you think? Oh, and then we blended up some roasted pumpkin seeds. You could use normal ones. That's cool too, but I use the roasted for the extra flavor and dimensione. Thick consistency. Nothing goes to waste, boo-boo, so we put the remaining with a little bit of water in there. We also threw in a frozen block of spinach because these are like super tiny shreds. I love me some plátano.
Okay, so these are like, that's kind of big, but that, I'm just going to do the plátano. Oh, I did not cut that right. I am so tired of using a knife.
Blend it up, throw it in a pot. Should be like a thickish consistency also, not too thin. And then you're gonna beat it up. And then this was the Egusi soup, and it tasted divine. Eroding. It tasted delicious. Oh, look at my highlight. Oh. Alright, that was it. Thanks. Subscribe.